Hey there everyone, welcome back. It's been a few hours since I've covered Moss Carbon, so we'll have a quick look, see what happened. Just to recap on the past videos, we were rejected at the cloud, trailed under it, rejected, consolidated. Did expect us to move into a swing and basically blow through an open door. We did that. We didn't make it up as high as my prediction, but we did blow through the open door. So it is good bullish signs for Moss Carbon. So I do expect us to go again, and reasoning for that was that we went, pulled back, launched again, and were held at 1188, which has been a previous significant resistance support zone for us. And then following that, an immediate tail off and wicked back to, where did we go back to? 1005. I did say to quite a few people in the chat and also on a previous video, if we lost 999, I'd be concerned. We haven't. We've back tested and blown straight back up for a retest of the cloud. So now I kind of expect us to just consolidate under the cloud, and then we'll have another launch. So not to be lazy, not to be lazy at all, but that's the pattern to watch for another move. And realistically, I'd like to see this one take us higher, because although we've had a lengthy period of consolidation where it would appear that we're not moving dramatically higher, we've also not moved dramatically lower. And even this move from the low to the high, if we just do a quick, yeah, it was 18%. So I mean, what did we pump up? We pumped up like 10%, and we retraced about 10%. It's not a huge move. So yeah, I think there's still a lot of gas in the tank. I think Moss has shown us where it wants to go, and I'm actually just going to pull out to the daily, just to have a quick look at something. So this Fibonacci chart is the low to the high, all-time low to all-time high for the price action I've got via Coinbase. And let's just get rid of those. And we're currently, yeah, we are currently below the 618. But if we run a fib from the recent low to the recent high and take that back into the hourly, that kind of makes more sense if you're seeing what I'm seeing. Yeah, so we're currently knocking on the door of the 786 for the recent move that we've been making. Yeah, it's not looking bad. It's not looking bad. I do still hold strong that if we lose 999, or it's really technically 982, if we were to lose 982, then this thing probably is chalked. But as long as we're consolidating around this area or higher, then I think there's still a move here. I really do. And just to pull out to the daily again, I might take it out to the history for the next bit. But each time we've had a move, we have tailed and curled lower and flown higher. Even here, when we had our slight recovery bounce, we had our sell off, and then we had a little swing. And again, each time we've made, no matter how small the move's been, we've tailed lower before we've made that move. And if you look at the history of how this thing's previously moved, whenever there's a move higher, there's always that dip lower than where it's been consolidating, and we've seen that. You know, we've consolidated, dip, and a move, Here, more significantly, we've been consolidating pretty much in a downward trend as well. Dip, then a move. Yeah, it's a consistent pattern. It's almost like a heart arrhythmia. If you imagine the heart monitors, where it's just like your pulse is following. This is essentially where we are. So we're kind of getting into a place where we can we can see what's going to happen next. Dare I say? Let's have a look at this on the yearly. Yeah, dip and a move, dip then a move, and this thing also does seem to go twice. Hmm. Yeah, I can't be bearish. I can't be bearish. So yeah, I can't be bearish with this one. That's kind of it. As long as we hold above 982, we're not in a terrible place for continuation and another move. All right, best of luck. See you on the next one.